Hey everybody, it's Savannah Berry with Florida Sea Grant and UF IFAS Extension. I just got back from a day of scalloping and I'm excited to show you really quick the best way to shuck your scallops. So the easiest way to shuck a scallop is to find the dark shell. If you look at a scallop closely, you'll see that they have both a light and a dark shell. So if you place the dark shell upward, it's just going to make your life a little bit easier. And hopefully if you've placed your scallops on ice or kept them cold, they'll be nice and gaping open like this. So what you want to do is look down there and cut the top of the mussel off of the top shell, which would be the dark shell. You can set that shell aside. And I like to do this with my fingers. Some people like to do it with the tool that they're using, but you can easily just go in and scoop all of the viscera, or guts as some people like to call it, off of the shell all at once. And you want to end up with just the mussel. And then from here, it's extremely simple. You just cut this mussel right off the bottom shell, and there you go. I hope you enjoyed this simple tutorial on how to shuck bay scallops. Please make sure to follow all of the best practices shown on your screen and also in the video description, and let us know in the comments if this video was helpful to you. Have a happy and safe scallop season, everybody!